Let's go. A little bit cold today. It was 25 degrees when I left, but out here it's about 20, so I might have to put something on. That should do the trick. Going from 25 degrees to 20 degrees, and now it's 30 degrees, so I'm getting a little bit hot. That place wasn't too bad for a little bit of morning tea. I originally wanted to go to this place. It looks really cool inside, but they don't start serving food until like 1, and I just heard there's heaps of reservations, so sounds like you actually got a book as well, so it must be very popular. For those that have never heard of the Blue Mountains, the Blue Mountains is west of Sydney and is one of the bigger main attractions. So you'll see like that, you'll see a few buses because the tourists come here in hordes and heaps of crowds, which we'll probably soon find out. We're gonna try to find the park nice and close because it is 30 degrees. I don't want to walk too far because I'll start sweating, and I've still got a bit to go before I get to my real destination. Where am I going? Something with a lot of O's in it. I will tell you later. Now for me the next stop is Katoomba, just down the road. If you're ever going to the Blue Mountains, Lura is a nice little street really. It's not much bigger than that, where you can have a little bit of a look. It's not as touristic, still plenty of tourists but not as many. Some nice cafes here and restaurants and things like that. Not a bad view. I hope you can hear me. It's a little bit windy, and I've decided to use a phone so I don't have to use the GoPro all the time. Parking is not that easy around here. It's paid parking everywhere, and there's no motorcycle parking, which is a real bummer. I'm not sure if I'm meant to pay or not because I don't know where to put my ticket. So I'll try to be quick, and hopefully there's no rangers around. Fancy you guys seeing here. What are you guys up to?
Just showing some people around.
Yeah.
More tourists.
More tourists. Yeah, we always, we know where to bring the tourists.
Okay.
They love this place.
Yeah. So do I.
Just like you, mate.
That's right, yeah. We're not the only ones obviously, but it's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad for a Saturday.
I expected it to be a lot more busy. But that was interesting. Always good to see some mates. Next stop will be something with a lot of O's. Campgrounds. Alright, so next up is Katoomba. It's about 2 hours away. Might do one stop depending on how it all goes. From here on shouldn't be too busy when it comes to traffic. But then again, I don't really know because I'm not from around here. Alright, let's hit the road, eh? The Blue Mountains is actually a quite large area and there's heaps of nice look at. I will not be stopping anywhere to show you any more today. But if you ever come around here, just have a look at the map because you'll be able to find more than just one particular view. I was wrong, there is heaps of traffic. So in the future, do not go on the weekend. I've just seen 4 dead kangaroos within probably 200 meters. I'll see if I can get a few on film. There's one. There's been a lot of roadworks, so it's slowing me down a little bit. It's funny how these grooves really make the bike, well, the bike is following the grooves. So it's a bit weird to ride like that. Nothing scary there. And it's very windy. Sometimes I'm a bit sideways on the bike just to balance it out a bit. Wow, that's not a bad view. So this is Capertee Valley. It's quite nice. I like it. I've got about 50 k's to go. Finally less traffic. Alright, let's get back on the road. Probably about an hour left.